Welcome back to Staycation Diaries. Today, we're trading the city lights for something a little more magical, a cozy treehouse getaway. In this video, we'll give you a full tour of this stunning Airbnb. These glimpses on screen, they can't quite capture the magic of actually being here. In the stillness, the scent, the height, it's something you just have to feel for yourself. The evening's a little crisp, just cool enough to remind you you're up in the trees. Out here on the balcony, everything feels still. No city noise, no distractions. Just the sway of the branches, the whisper of the wind, and a quiet kind of peace you don't find too often. So it's the perfect time to light up the fireplace and get cozy. Woke up to the soft sound of the forest waking up with me. And just like that, our little escape among the treetops comes to an end. This treehouse gave us more than just a place to stay. It gave us stillness, fresh air, and a quiet kind of magic that's hard to put into words. If you ever get the chance to stay somewhere like this, take it. You might just leave feeling a little lighter than when you arrived. Thanks for coming along for the journey. And if you enjoyed this stay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time on Staycation Diaries.